All right, here is another one. Now, how many decimal places do I expect to have in my final answer on this one? 4. I've got 2 here and 2 here. Now this one may be kind of tricky, so be very careful. I'm going to slide in my little paper to guide me here. What number would you put on top of the multiplication process? I put the 715 on top. That's just how I go about doing these. So 7.15, and I have the 0.28. Was that somebody knocking at the door, or did you drop your iPhone again? Doom, doom, doom. All right. So let's multiply. So 8 times 5 is 40, and carry that little 4. 8 times 1 plus 4. Faster! 12, carry the 1. Oh, look at this. 8 times 7. Love it. Plus 1 is 57. All right, now we go on to the 2. 2 times 5. Carry the 1, so 2 times 1 plus 1. And then, now, keep in mind here that this 1 is still left over from the first wave of multiplying times 8, so this is just 2 times 7. And we get 14. Do y'all agree? So now we add all of this, and what do we have? So that's 0, 2, 0, carry the 1, so that's 0, 2. Now, what, if I didn't know anything else, I just had a guess about what kind of number this would be. This is 7, this is, well, I don't want to round this to the nearest whole number because that'd be 0. 7 times 0 is not going to do me any good here. But I might round this to about 0.3. So if I'm estimating here, this is about 7 times 0.3. What's 7 times 3? So 7 times 0.3 is 2.1. So it gives me an idea about what my answer should be. Where's my decimal go? Should go right there, right? How many decimal places do I have here? How many do I have here? How many should I have in the answer? 4. Now, please don't freak out if you were to check this on a calculator, because on a calculator, the answer would just be 2.002. And so you may freak out and say, wait a minute, my calculator messed up. It only gave me 3 decimal places, but I was supposed to have 4. Well, what was in that 4th decimal spot? 0. Is the calculator going to show 0? No. Some calculators, you can tell it to show you the decimal out to so many decimal places. But for the most part, it'll just give you 2.002. So either of these answers will be correct. This is really the best answer because this would be a more simplified answer. This is what I'd be expecting to see from you guys. Any questions about this guy? Okay. Now, if for some reason this guy had been a negative 7.15, do I need to worry about my sign here when I'm doing all of this work? No. The sign would only matter where? In the final answer. So if I had this, then what would your final answer be?
You could just add it.
It would just be a negative 2.002. Negative 2 and 2 thousandths. Because a negative times a positive is a negative.